Welcome to Hoan Kim Lake in Old Quarters, Hanoi, Vietnam. It's also known as the Sword Lake or the Lake of the Restored Sword.
According to legend, a divine turtle living in the lake gifted a magical sword to Emperor Le Loi, who then used that sword to defeat the ruling Ming dynasty in the 15th century.
That red bridge in the background is called the Hook Bridge and connects to the Buddhist Jade Temple. As the weather was pleasant, we decided to take a walk around the Hoan Kim Lake. And here are some glimpses from our walk. We saw some women dressed in the local Vietnamese long dress, some people just sitting and enjoying the sun and the lake. There were fruit vendors, ice cream vendors, portrait makers. There were pretty flowers everywhere and we stayed on till sunset. So that's all about our trip to Hoan Kim Lake.